Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Volkswagen key fob. First, identify your specific key fob model to ensure you purchase the correct battery. Most Volkswagen key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Next, carefully open the key fob casing. You can usually do this by gently prying it apart with a small flathead screwdriver. Once open, remove the old battery and insert the new one, making sure the positive side faces up. After replacing the battery, your key fob might need a quick resync. To do this, insert the key into your car's ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Within a few seconds, press and hold the unlock button on your key fob for about 1 second. Then, remove the key from the ignition and test the key fob's locking and unlocking functions. It should now be working correctly. If replacing the battery and attempting to resync doesn't resolve the issue, it might be time to consider a new key fob. Significant physical damage, such as a cracked case or unresponsive buttons, is another clear indicator. While battery replacement is a simple DIY, programming a brand new key fob typically requires specialized equipment. You'll usually need to visit a Volkswagen dealership or a qualified automotive locksmith for this service. Replacing your key fob battery is a straightforward and inexpensive task you can easily do yourself, saving you time and money. However, if you need a completely new key fob programmed to your vehicle, professional assistance from a dealership or locksmith is essential due to the complex coding involved. Remember to check the description below for links to recommended products and other great deals, including that awesome car air freshener. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.